Let's see what happens. Let's see what rabbits are better. Rabbits like Steeler fans or Packer fans. Let's find out.
Okay, so now we're gonna get a Steeler fan in here and see what happens.
Steelers. Here we go.
And see what happens to him.
Steelers. Hey there. Hey there, you fat rabbit. Hey there, rabbit. Oh, she's not even paying attention. Hey there. Hey, rabbit. Oh, you like the Packers? Yeah, well, Steelers won 6, Packers won only 4. What do you think you're going to, rabbit? Hey, you, come back here, rabbit.
Rabbit hunting.
Ah! Oh, my foot! Ah!
That was so funny. Okay. To get around here somewhere. Okay, stop grunting, Ruby. Oh God. Okay, let's see. Okay,
Guys, I may have to go to the hospital.
oh, that's disgusting.
So that's what a Steeler fans. That's why rabbits like Packer fans better than Steeler fans.
Dun dun.